Hey, good morning. This is RockinRobin. Welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, today I'm doing a quick little video. I'm doing something on how to list on Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook Marketplace is not difficult to list on, but if you're a newcomer and you haven't done it before, it's always good to see someone else do it first so that you feel better. You feel more confident when you're doing it. And if you've done eBay and Poshmark or Mercari or any of those, you won't have a problem. But if you haven't, you might. Now, I want to tell you that we have been selling on eBay for over 20 years. We sell on eBay. We also sell on Mercari. We sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, we're just starting the shipping, and we sell at the flea market. So we give you tips and secrets about all those formats. You stay with us, we'll be right back, and I'm going to show you how to list on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing is you have to go to your Facebook and go and search for Marketplace, and then hit and go into Marketplace. Now this is what you will find, and you want to hit the create new listing, the blue button. From there, this is what it's going to look like, and you are going to look to see what you need to do. This will show all the different areas. Now, I have listed before, so that's why I chose actives and renewed listings. Here, I pressed the items button because what I'm going to sell is an items. If you have an auto, you would press that. Here, you're going to hit the add photos button, and you would have taken a photo, and you're going to add it there. Next, you're going to put in the title of the item that you're selling and the price that you want for it. If you are going to ship it, you have to include shipping in that cost. Now here you're going to choose what category you want it to go in. There'll be homes, there'll be all kinds of different items and the condition that it's in. Now here I added the photo. I just clicked and I added the photo. I'm selling a CD set. All right, and then over here I put that I want $20 for it. It's a movie and TV show. It's an old vintage CDs with Walter Cronkite and different things that he did. And I put it's used, but it's like new because it works and it's in perfect condition. And then you are going to write the description of the item, whatever it is that you want to say. I said used but works great. I don't know what else they want to know. So that's what I have. Maybe I should have put in how many CDs were in there. I might go back and revise it. Now I'm going to put that it's shipping and local pickup. You can just do local pickup if that's what you want. If you want to ship, you could do it there. I put that it's going to be a prepaid shipping label. That's $2.89. And mine is a bunch of CDs, so it would be media rate, and that's why shipping would be so low. And then they're going to show you the overview and what it looks like. You have to go back into it to see the overall, and that's what it is. Here it is. Walter Cronkite, the 60 greatest old-time radio shows, something like that. Now, I just thought that was interesting, and maybe people would be looking for it. It's not the type of thing I normally put up on Facebook Marketplace, but that is how simple it is to put up stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Welcome back. I hope that was easy for you. I wanted to do something easy, something quick, something that you would appreciate if you're just beginning. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't before. If you're new to Facebook Marketplace or any of those formats, we want to help you make more, and we're going to give you tips and secrets. So make sure you subscribe. Then if you give us a thumbs up, we appreciate it. If you liked our video, if you would do that. And if you want to know when we have more videos coming up, please hit the bell, because that will tell you, and you can see and you can learn something new. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please come back and watch some more. Watch our other videos. We have a lot of tips and secrets already on Facebook Marketplace and all those formats. You go out there, you find something good, put it up on Facebook Marketplace, and you go make yourself some money.